Customized design, making your brand stand out in every detail. Colors, patterns, and symbols can all be exclusively designed according to your brand tone. We support the selection of various packaging materials such as paper and aluminum foil, paired with processes like hot stamping, UV embossing, and gradient printing. This not only ensures product protection, but also enhances the brand's high-end image through touch and texture. The small card packaging features controllable costs and high cost effectiveness, with efficient information carrying capacity. Focused on the fruit scent theme, it catches eyes both visually and in terms of experience with customized colors, crafts, and content. Recare has a mature customized service system, providing you with one-stop support from creativity to mass production. We operate 8 advanced production lines capable of producing a diverse range of condom types, catering to various market needs.